A constitutional referendum was held in Russia from 25 June to 1 July 2020. The referendum was proposed by President Vladimir Putin during his address to the Federal Assembly on 15 January 2020. The draft amendments to the Constitution were submitted to a referendum in accordance with Article 2 of the Law on Amendments to the Constitution. The referendum is legally referred to as an all-Russian vote, as it is not held in accordance with the federal constitutional law on the referendum. The voting was originally scheduled for 22 April, but due to the COVID-19 pandemic in the country, the vote was postponed to a later date. It had been noted that the initial vote date coincided with Vladimir Lenin's 150th birthday. The amendments stipulate social guarantees for citizens. If the amendments are adopted, the Constitution will mention for the first time, for example, marriage, the union of a man and a woman, faith in God, as well as the State Council. The Russian nationality will be called a state-forming one. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.